Warning: brand placements. This video presentation recommends switching food brands based on the nutritional value or the price of each product. No money is received for recommending healthier products or brands.
Himalayan salt, is it better than table salt? Himalayan salt, is it better than table salt?
Table salt is not as good as you think. When we talk about the health benefits of Himalayan salt, we often hear people say that Himalayan salt is better for you because it has less sodium. That's true, but there are other reasons why it's better. The problem with table salt is that it contains a lot of additives and chemicals. In fact, table salt contains more sodium than any other food. Table salt is usually refined by adding iodine to it. This is done to make it appear white. However, this process removes all of the minerals that are naturally found in the salt. You can easily find out how much sodium is in your table salt by Googling nutrition in table salt. For example, 1 teaspoon of table salt has 2,325.5 milligrams of sodium. This means you have taken 96% of your daily allowance of sodium. Any more and you can find yourself on your way to mild side effects, including swollen hands, feet, and face. Excessive daily salt intake can contribute to high blood pressure that is linked to conditions like heart failure and heart attack, kidney problems, fluid retention, stroke, and osteoporosis. If you're eating a lot of processed foods, you may be getting enough sodium already. However, if you want to reduce your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke, you should look into Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt contains all of the minerals that were removed during the refining process. In addition, it also contains magnesium, calcium, potassium, zinc, copper, manganese, iron, and iodine. These minerals provide many health benefits. For example, magnesium helps lower blood pressure, while potassium helps regulate your heartbeat. Calcium and magnesium help strengthen your bones, while potassium helps maintain fluid balance. Zinc is important for growth and reproduction. Copper is essential for the formation of red blood cells. Manganese is used by your body to create energy. Iron is needed to build healthy red blood cells. And iodine is necessary for thyroid function. All of these minerals are found in natural, unrefined salt. This is why Himalayan salt is better for your health. In addition, Himalayan salt is better for the environment. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals or additives. It's also completely biodegradable. So, when you think about it, switching to Himalayan salt is a no-brainer. You'll get all of the minerals that your body needs while improving your health and the environment.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook and you like what we're doing, then share this video with your family and friends, and as always, thank you for watching.